So remember that in our first video, we had a preview of what we wanted to create towards the end, where I told you I would want to create like a photo slide showing a birthday party with my colleagues, like that, something a little bit of that. Okay, so now I look here to this website, and because this website offers free images to be used, whether it is commercial use, whether it is just personal purposes. Okay, so now I type in birthday decoration. Okay, so maybe birthday party decoration. So are you seeing these images? So there are a little bit of these. So if you're not pleased with these ones, because these are more of like vectors, okay, these are more of like vectors, we can, let me first click here and we see. So from here we can happen to choose, I'm not yet seeing so far the desires that I'm looking for. Maybe this one would work for me, and this one I can open it in a, like, right clicking like this, and you say open in a new tab, so it can open up maybe in a certain tab. Okay, then I can download. So with here you can download any of your choice. Maybe I go with this one. Should I go with this one? So I click download. Okay, so it is downloading. It has finished. Then from there I would only want that one from this side, so I cross over, get this one also. Okay, so there it has started downloading and it has finished. Then from there, when I remove that, so I asked some questions about the sunset ones. Okay, do you remember the other time, the last time we asked on pixel? So now after that I'm going to be asking, that is birthday decoration images. So remember, you as the same person can sign up to these platforms. You can Google out and see which images are there. Are they missing? Are they there? So you can also contribute as a freelancer or a stock footage seller on these different platforms. So we come here, let us try to make it one word. So are you seeing this? So now with these different images, we can happen to come up with an idea if we want to make people believe that this is the cake. So we can right click and open it in a new tab. Okay, if we believe that this is one of the birthday people, so we come, so it is according to you, like what story do you have, what story would you want to tell, what story, you understand. So basically that is it with the stock footage or using of stock photography. So we hope that we've downloaded the desired images that we would want maybe to use. Okay, so we come here, get this. get this one. Then we get that one also. And these photos are basically downloading from here. Okay, so now after doing that, we go back and import them to our what? To our project. Okay, so we can get this off the screen. Okay, then we get back here to our project, then click this to go back to the folders where they are. Then we go to stock images and we double click, then we import all of them. No, the images, we import all of these images. Okay, then we click that. So we've imported this one the second time. We had already imported it, so we can ignore that. So if at all you maybe want to delete it, then you can select it here, then click delete, and it goes off. Okay, so let me hope you are all doing well, you've enjoyed this, and at least we are picking something. That is why I'm trying my level best to go a little bit slower. So then after that, remember always, we've also delayed to save. Remember always to click a Ctrl S to save. That is a shortcut for saving. And then Ctrl Shift S is basically for saving when you want to change. Maybe I want this to become 2. If you want to change your project name to any other name of your choice. Okay, so now the next thing is we are going to be looking at placing them onto the timeline, what has to be done, and we start editing them off. So remember to continue to our third video and learn the basics, and besides the basics, learn everything you need to know at designing something. Okay, so endeavor to see that below this video, you leave a comment if you really appreciate this and a thumbs up. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the Munya Scripts Lifestyle channel, and don't hesitate, ask questions, you'll be answered. Thank you for watching.